Fabulous, fully accessible one-level 55-plus condo. Loads of upgrades makes this unit turnkey. The kitchen features granite counters, newer appliances and custom shutters so you can choose an open floor plan or close off the kitchen. There is too much good cooking going on. All new paint and vinyl tile flooring throughout in this elegantly appointed unit. Fireplace in the living room creates a cozy retreat in the winter. Recently installed heat pump reduces energy costs in the winter and also provides air conditioner in the summer. The location means you can walk to downtown easily and enjoy the library, restaurants, shops, including hardware, grocery, and pharmacies. Roomy 2-car garage provides extra storage. Plenty of extra parking alongside this end unit. The private patio is perfect for sipping coffee and catching up on the day's news or a glass of wine.